Woo! That's what I'm a-talking about.
So my headlights were pretty foggy, so I decided to figure out what's the best way to clear them up, get myself some visibility again. And after doing a little research, I found some ways where you can kind of sand them down, maybe spray some clear coat on them. I decided to, well, improve that a little bit, I guess, and use some Mr. Clean Magic erasers, which actually got Scotch-Brite, but seems to be the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and sand them down with the magic erasers, which is, for all intents and purposes, a really high grit sandpaper. And you can see they're pretty foggy right now. And we're going to try and see if when we're done we can get them cleared up. Alright, so I've taken the headlights off, and as you can see they're pretty cloudy. I'm going to get started with the magic eraser and see how it goes. Use the white side to scrub first. I don't know. I don't really use these too much. Well, it's getting the fog wet, but that's not going to tell me much. Go ahead and scrub it for a little bit. See what happens. Never done this before, but as you can see, I've already cut my finger open pretty good just taking it off. So I got that going for me. Just like to make these videos interesting, I guess. I mean, it'd be really nice if I could just make a video, how-to video, and have everything go awesome. But that's not what I do. That's not reality. And frankly, I think that's better for you guys, because you see a how-to video, somebody cuts it around and whatnot, and it's like, oh yeah, it's no trouble at all, anybody can do it. And you get started and you do what I do, just screw it up, and you're like, oh, they didn't show that part. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Alright, well, kind of fogging back up after the dry. Let's see with this one. Pretty foggy again. I'll wipe it down with the cloth. And I'll try the enamel. Stuff I got was this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover. It was on sale at Menards for I think $2, something like that. Had a rebate. Gloss clear. Supposed to bond to plastic. Once this dries off, I'll give it a try. Alright, so these have dried pretty well. Still pretty foggy, but I'm going to try and put this gloss on here. See how it goes. I'm going to do just a real light coat first. I'm probably about 10 inches away. Trying to put on too much so it doesn't drip or anything. And do the same thing with this one. Well, it's kind of clearing it up a little bit. One of them at least. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for, I don't know, what do you say, about 5 minutes. Put another coat on. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna put another coat on here now. And try and make sure I get all along the edges this time. And just use some little bob. Son of a bitch. Oh. So my clear coat is, the wind is blowing into the garage and blowing it right back in my face, so I'll be on the lookout for that. Looks like it's starting to drip a little on this one. Son of a bitch. That's probably a bad idea, but I'll try and dab it a little. Yep. Nope, that was a bad idea. Starts dripping, don't dab it. Add a little more to the drip. Make it a thing. I got a little carried away there. Let this dry again and do one more coat maybe? I don't know. Alright, so this is relatively dry. I'm going to go ahead and put on one more coat and let that drip be a lesson to you. Be careful not to go too close and don't try and wipe it. Just let it drip. It's fine. Not bad, how you doing?
What are you spray painting over there?
Oh, I'm gonna give this a try of trying to restore these cloudy headlights.
Oh, shit, man.
Couldn't hardly
Is it hard to get them out of there?
Actually, that car wasn't hard at all, yeah. It was basically one screw and
I thought the only way to clean was
out.
from the inside somehow.
Actually, the inside I think was pretty good.
Really?
I mean, yeah, if you look at them here, this actually seems to be working. I kind of sanded it and
Nice.
sprayed this clear coat on it.
Okay, I gotcha. What a great idea.
Yeah.
But you have to pull them out in order to do that? You can't just...
I think you can, but you kind of have to like tape it off and try not to get it on the
I
car,
hear ya.
basically.
Man, when you get those clean, you can see so much better.
Yeah,
And your car looks newer, too.
yeah. I replaced the bulbs to give them LEDs too,
Oh, man.
so it'll look like 2 years newer probably.
Nice visibility.
Yeah. Driven more. Whatever. See if we can't sand it after it's dried. Okay, so these are pretty dry, so I'm gonna give them a light sanding with the magic eraser. Seems to have cracked a little where I tried to wipe the drip. So once again, don't do that. The water's just kind of beading off of here, which Probably a good sign. Also, I went ahead and did the ones on the truck too, because they were pretty cloudy. And they actually turned out even better. Look at those sons of bitches. Beautiful. Woo! Alright, so I went ahead and reattached the headlights. And as you can see, they're not too shabby. Maybe I can turn them on. Oh, look at that. Woo! Yeah, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.